Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to hide apps on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. Okay, let's get to the tutorial. First, you have to go to the settings menu. Okay, after that here you can scroll down. And then you can select home screen option. And then you can select hide apps on home and app screen option here. And then here you can choose the app you want to hide. Okay, and then the app is successfully hidden from your device. That's the tutorial on how to hide apps on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you're helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.